In this video, we will be talking about how you can close your Bank of America account. So as you can see, I am already inside the account information frequently asked questions article page. And you can access this directly by inputting this link, which is bankofamerica.com/help/account information, and then frequently asked questions or facts. Here, we are not seeing the how to close my account. But when you scroll a little, you will finally see here. So how do I close my account? So just click this tab and then this answer will open. Well, you need to contact them directly or call them directly, which is the Bank of America landline, which is the 800 or 800-432 and 1000 or 1000. So you just need to share your feedback or your concern regarding the closing of your account. So just directly call them, and before proceeding with closure, you might be also interested in covering your existing account to a different account or finding a new one. Well, this is just a suggestion by the Bank of America account. But if you are looking into closing of your account, you just need to dial this number and then just discuss your concern regarding the closure of your account, and the process will take on place by the Bank of America account easily, and that's how you can close your Bank of America account. And thank you for listening.